All right, we got a ton of SnipeKit updates. I'm super excited to share with you. You are not going to waste time prospecting any longer. SnipeKit is the solution to find high-paying copywriting clients, to outreach to high-paying copywriting clients, to track all of your outreach, and to see where you're going wrong with your outreach to get even better, to land clients even faster. That is what SnipeKit is, and it is the only copywriting tool on earth made specifically to help copywriters find and land copywriting clients. Okay, so if you haven't dove into the software yet and started using it, playing around, then today's the day. You get into the app, you get free access as part of the academy. So what is SnipeKit again? SnipeKit, it's simple. There's 100,000 companies. We just passed 100,000, by the way. 100,000 companies, high quality companies, filtered with different buying signals that they have revenue, that they're running meta ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, Google ads, they have email lists. Not all of them, but a lot of these factors come into play when it comes to landing the right clients. You have to be targeted. This is the sniper part of the sniper bomb system. You need to know who you're going after and don't just outreach to everybody, right? And so instead of wasting 1 hour of time, 2 hours, right, every single day looking for prospects on Instagram, scrolling keywords and hashtags just to land with 2 to 3 maybe after an hour or two, you're going to find 10 plus clients ready to go in the next 2 minutes using SnipeKit, right? And these are vetted. So the percentage of people in here, like half of the list right now is running Facebook or Google ads. Okay. So what are the latest updates on this? Okay. Number one, I just want to cover a couple of things that we've done a couple weeks ago, but some people just don't know yet. Alerts. So you can set an alert with your exact filter that's saved. So let's just say you're like, I'm focused on, e-com brands, and I want to make sure that they're running meta ads and have an email list or whatever. Okay. That's who I'm focused on. And I want to make sure maybe they're on Instagram or whatever. Okay. But you don't want to come here every single time to look for new leads and have to click e-com brands and then click Instagram and Metapixel and email list and whatever. Okay. So what you can do is click all your filters. Here's your 5,000 companies you want to go after, and then just click save filters. So click here. Okay, save filter, and we're going to say this is ecom meta, what do we say, email list, something like that. Okay, so now you can save your filter. So every time you come in here, so check this out, we're going to go back here, and now you can click to save filters, and we can just click on ecom meta email list. So look at this, 111,000 companies. We're just going to look at these guys, the ecom. There you go. There's our 5,400 companies. So you don't have to keep clicking all the same filters over and over again, right? The filters are here so you can find these higher quality leads that are specific to you and your niche and what you really want to go after. Meta ads, people have an email list. If you're an email copywriter, pretty important thing. But that's for that. Really, really easy to use. Okay, next thing is people don't know this yet. I keep hearing everybody, oh, I didn't know you could do that. Import leads. Look on the left here. Find leads, lead lists, outreach stats, import leads. If you have people you've been talking to on Instagram DMs, LinkedIn, email, like however you've been talking to other leads outside of SnipeKit already, people from times past, you can bring them into SnipeKit. You can bring them right into the platform. So you're not trying to juggle finding people on SnipeKit and tracking things there and losing track of people in Instagram DMs and all these things. Put them in one house, put them in one tracking system, and it's going to be a lot easier. Now, why would you want to put them into SnipeKit? Why not just keep them separate? Because when you go to lead lists, this is the cool thing that people don't know about SnipeKit. It's not just to find these guys. It's to track your entire outreach. Look at this. Every person you add to a lead list, right? So when you're using this system, right? We got these 5,400 e-com companies running meta ads, have an email list, right? Let's just say, oh, I want to go after these guys, okay? We're going to select all these companies. We want to add them quick. I'm going to show you this. Select all, add to a list, and we'll say, I'm just going to say April 3rd ecom. Okay. So there we go. We just added all of these 25 guys to the lead list called April 3rd ecom. We're going to go in here. Now we have 25 leads. Okay. So now we can go after these companies. So what's the point here? What's the next thing? Just we have a list of people? No. Now you can track your outreach. Now we're going to go follow the Sniper Bomb system, which is the system I teach, where we're going to go after these guys, find them on Instagram, wherever they're located, whatever. All these guys are on Instagram. Most of them should be at least. We're going to find them. We're going to go follow the process, follow, like, comment, DM, right? Start that conversation. And when you DM them, guess what you're going to do? You're going to go into SnipeKit and click, I DM them, DM'd, DM, DM, DM. every single time you DM somebody, it's going to be tracked right in here, right into one place, right? How many did we select so far? Like 9 or 10. Okay. And then guess what's going to happen? We're just going to refresh this. We're going to go back in. Now we have the people that we've sent. Oh, so of the 25 people on our list, we've sent 11 DMs. You can switch right over to the stage, right? This is your pipeline of where these people are at. Let's just say 3 people replied, okay, the next day. Just gonna refresh that. Now you have your 25 leads. You have the people you send the DMs to. You've got people you've got replies from. And guess who you can send the free value to now? These 3. So next up, you're going to send the free value and so on and so forth. So the reason you want to use SnipeKit is not just to find leads. Bring your guys from Instagram who you're losing track of. You don't want to lose track of who you're supposed to follow up with, right? You in SnipeKit, you can track every stage, your first DM, if you got a reply, if you send the sniper bomb free value, if you've sent a follow-up, who you got on a call with, and who you closed as a client. So you never lose track of your leads again. Most copywriters don't know this. Most people will land a client on a follow-up, not the first time you send a DM or the first time you send free value. It's going to be on a follow-up. Follow-ups are crucial. SnipeKit, you can track all your follow-ups and all your people without losing them, without having to go scroll through 500 DMs from all these DMs you send and oh, what's this guy again? And what's going on here? Okay, so it's really easy to use that way. Okay. On top of that, okay, so what's next? You can import your leads right into SnipeKit to make it really, really easy. So they're all in one place. By the way, and when you import them, they're not going into the main database. You're not adding to the pool. Nobody can see the leads that you import. Those are your leads, the private leads that you bring into the platform. They're in your list. No one else can see them. Okay, what's up next? We finally got over 100,000 companies. Okay, so if I go click reset all the filters, 111,000 companies. We just crossed 100K. I'm super excited for this because every day there's more companies being added. So like you shouldn't ever have to run out of like leads in SnipeKit. So you always have access to leads, and those are high quality leads, not just random accounts on Instagram who probably aren't making money in their business, who probably don't have a marketing budget. These guys have a marketing budget, right? So if you go over here, okay, Metapixel, 31,000 companies are running Facebook and Instagram ads in this list. On top of that, how many? 28, I think, thousand. There's like 28,000 companies running Google ads. So we have combined, like, I don't know what that is, like a lot, right? 60,000 or something like that. Over half the companies in this whole database are running some kind of ads. And the other ones usually have an email list or a decent sized following. So they're much higher quality leads. So what else? Okay, so we did smarter alerts. You can track, filters and stuff like that. We got import leads, 100,000 companies, over 50% are confirmed running ads. So these are businesses actively spending money on advertising, which means they hire copywriters. They're way more likely to hire copywriters. You are the marketing budget. You're part of that. Okay. On top of that, we just added a bunch of new niches or upgraded some. So what's up first? Okay, so we got fitness coaches. Okay, so there's a lot of people who want to go up to fitness coaches. We didn't have that many before in here. Now, if you go in here to health fitness, we got 7,800, almost 8,000 fitness coaches right in here. A lot of them running meta ads. Okay, what else? We got a new category, business opportunity and make money online. There's almost 1,000 here. We're adding to these ones as well daily. So this is any kind of like make money online business opportunity niche that a lot of people want to go into. So we got almost 1,000 people in there. What else we got? We got pet e-commerce. Okay, we have 25,000 e-com brands in here, and specifically dove into the pet category for my boy Kevin Rodriguez. Right, we got 2,800 companies now who are pet brands. Okay, so that's that. We also added a new category as well for info, which is hobbies and creative skills, which we're adding to as well. So this would be like art education and things like that under the coaching category. Okay, so what's next? Faster search. The more companies I added, what I found as I'm importing more, it was starting to slow down SnipeKit. Sometimes you might have got like a page that was like, why isn't this loading as fast? And things are slowing down. I fixed that. So the search results were slowing down. I fixed that. So it's a lot faster now. So you shouldn't have to have any search failures or slow searches. And if you do, just let me know. But yeah, next thing. So let's just say you want to go after e-com brands. You want to go into, let's just click whatever. You want to go after these 2,000 companies. Okay. and you just want to add them all to a list. Okay, so you can select one by one and add people to a list. You can select an entire page by clicking here. So all 25 results on this page. There's 85 pages. If you want to add them all to a list all at once and just filter and go through that way, that's going to take 85 clicks to go add them all, right? So now you can select all results, add them all results you get, all 2,000 to a list. And we'll just make it a new list here called health supplements. We'll do that. We'll add them. There we go. So we just added 2,124 leads all to a list all at once. You can do tons of bulk selection. You can go like this. You can add them to a list. You can export to CSV as well if you want to do your own thing with these companies. That's fine too. You also, let's just say you want to go through and click on those health supplements. It's probably just going to load here because there's a huge amount we just added. Okay, so let's just say you want to go through and you're like, I don't want to reach out to this kind of company, Max and Neo. Let's just say, I don't even know, I'm just guessing, like, let's just say this wasn't actually a health supplement company, even though it was categorized that. That SnipeKit's not perfect. The niche categorization, some data might be inaccurate. I'm working on it. But let's just say this was actually a pet brand, not a supplement brand. And you're like, I don't want this person on my list, but I also don't want to just remove them and find them back in my search filters when I'm looking for health supplement brands. What do? You can now archive them. So click check mark, click archive, and those guys, that person, when you go back, they're not in your list anymore. They're also not going to be back in the search results when you go try to find these guys anymore. So they'll be gone. So you won't find them anymore. You can hide archived leads. So if you click reset, click on health and supplements, click hide archived leads. Now you're only seeing fresh companies. Okay. So you can also hide leads in your list. So there you go. That's why we're not seeing any, because we literally just added all of these companies, 2,124. And we also archived that guy. So there you go. That's that. On top of that, in lead lists, let's just say you're like, you have these 2,000 companies in here. You're like, okay, archive that guy. I don't want that guy. I don't get that guy. You start DMing people. Let's just say somebody gets back to you and says like, oh, I've been looking for a copywriter. Oh, put a note in here. Say, this guy is looking for a copywriter, right? So put it in here and say, I'm looking for a copywriter. So you can put notes in there and then favorite him, star him. Okay. That right there makes this guy a hot lead when you click star on that. So now you can have your hottest leads on the top. So if you have a big list of 2,000 people, you just added your own list. You're like, oh, this person literally told me like he's looking for a copywriter too, or he's super interested. Somebody said, I really like your sniper bomb. Now is just not the right time, but reach out in 1 month. You can add a note here to make any custom notes, but you can also favorite these and make them a hot lead. So every time you're like, okay, who are the people I should follow up with the most? Just go to your hot leads category. Boom. Now you have all the top guys sort of the very top. So you can always go track those guys. What else? My goodness, so many things we've done. We've added outreach streaks, outreach stats. You can track all of your outreach here. You can see all the people, all the total leads you got, DMs you sent, replies, free value. You can see like your whole funnel and your stats, right? So now you can track how well you're doing at each stage. Let's just say you're like, Brandon, I've been outreaching for the past 30 days. I don't know what's going on. Like I'm sending DMs, I'm sending outreaches, I'm doing the thing, I'm tracking it. I just can't land a client. What's happening? Go to your stats. Let's check what your stats are like, okay? Because there's benchmarks for every stage of the process. If you find that from your first DM to reply rate is less than 10%, probably something's wrong here, right? If this says like 5% and you're like, why can't I land clients? It's like, well, you probably got to fix your first DM, right? We also show you the percentage from free value to call. So you've sent a sniper bomb and the percentage of people who you send a sniper bomb that you get on a call, it should be at least like, roughly like 3 to 5%. If you're like, it's like 1% or less, it's like, hey, maybe there's a problem with your free value. We need to make that better. Or even your issue in like the DMs and how you're DMing and following up with people and handling objections, right? Let's just say your close rate, so from call to client, this is your close rate on a call. For all the calls you've done, let's just say your close rate's less than 30%. You probably need to fix your sales call and how you're doing that call, right? Most of my students are getting 70 to 80% close rate, which is higher than normal because of the way Sniper Bomb system's set up. If your number's too slow here, you know, I got to fix this area. So the point with outreach stats is to track how well you're doing, where you're going wrong with your outreach. If you're doing enough outreach, right? You're like, oh, why am I not getting leads? Like, well, you're missing like 4 days in a row here. Like, you clearly weren't outreaching, right? Or it's like maybe your percentage for each stage of the funnel, one of these things was really low, and we got to fix that area then. Okay. On top of that, we got daily streaks here just to keep you motivated. Make this like a video game, right? So if you're sending 10 DMs a day, you get the DM machine badge. If you send your free value every day, your value bomb, you get the bomb dropper. Follow up king if you're following up twice per day. Okay. Just little badges to make it a little extra fun. What else? Revenue filter upgrade. You can upgrade, you can go into revenue filters and you can track multiple stages at a time. Before it was just one at a time, but it's the same as company size now where you can track multiple stages instead of just one. So that's just a little thing we updated there. Collapsible filters. If you want to, like, you got your company sorted, you're like, hey, I want to go after beauty and skincare and whatever, but like, I just want to make this easier to look at, like, you know, the different signals and things, but that, like, it's kind of hard to read what's going on here. You can collapse this. Okay. Just makes it a little bit easier to scroll through, is to collapse all the filter sidebar. So hide the sidebar, show the sidebar, right? Just a little thing to make it a little bit easier when you are searching for leads. And clean your lead table. I cleaned up a couple of things here that weren't high value things that we removed from here. And yeah, that's a lot of stuff, all to help you find high paying copywriting clients faster, right? Turn 1 hour prospecting into 1 minute, track all of your outreach in one place, and know exactly what issues you have at every stage of your process to get better, whether it comes to sending that first DM, whether it comes to writing better audits and free value and DMing people and follow-ups and rejection handling, whether it comes to improving your close rate on a call and improving your sales call rate, right? Knowing exactly how your consistency is, maybe it's just that, right? Every single stage of the process, from finding high-paying copywriting clients to tracking them in your niche, tracking them in one area that's easy to keep track of every single stage of the process, from DM to reply to free value to getting people on a call and winning them over, right? Everything you need to find the guys, to track your outreach, and to see where you need to improve. It's all in SnipeKit. So dive in. If you have never used SnipeKit, and you want a simple way to turn 1 hour of prospecting into 1 minute, this is it. If you want to stop losing track of all the leads that you're DMing that are slipping through the cracks because someone is following up better than you with them, someone is giving them more attention than you are, then get into SnipeKit today. The only way to access SnipeKit is by joining the Six Figure Copy Academy, which is the proven path to make 10K a month as a copywriter. My group coaching program with 100 other copywriters. We got my entire course. We got group coaching calls every single week. We got copy feedback every week. We got monthly challenges with cash prizes, and we got daily support and accountability from me and 100 other copywriters, many of them already making a full-time income. If you want access to SnipeKit for free, you get access to SnipeKit for free as a bonus for joining the academy today. Go and join at my link in bio now, and go find copywriting clients, right? Go get in and start using it and start leveling up and start making money.